To send crypto from Ellipal, start by ensuring you have the Ellipal wallet and the Ellipal app installed on your mobile device. Open the Ellipal app and navigate to the wallet section where you will see a list of your cryptocurrency assets. Select the cryptocurrency you want to send and click on the Send button. You will then be required to scan the QR code of the recipient's wallet address or manually enter the address. It is crucial to double-check the recipient's address to avoid sending your cryptocurrency to the wrong address. After entering the recipient's address, you will be prompted to enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. You can choose to send the entire balance or a specific amount. Once you have entered the amount, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. You will see the recipient's address, the amount you are sending, and the transaction fee. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction. You will then be required to verify the transaction using your Ellipal wallet. Open your Ellipal wallet and navigate to the transaction section. You will see the pending transaction and a prompt to verify it. Use your Ellipal wallet to verify the transaction by following the on-screen instructions. After verifying the transaction, it will be broadcast to the blockchain network and confirmed. The recipient will receive the cryptocurrency once the transaction has been confirmed. It is essential to keep your Ellipal wallet and app up to date to ensure you have the latest security features and updates. Additionally, always ensure you are sending cryptocurrency to a trusted recipient and double-check the address to avoid any errors. By following these steps, you can securely send cryptocurrency from your Ellipal wallet. Remember to always prioritize security and verify transactions carefully to protect your assets.